What we have today is one of the downsides of owning an expensive German vehicle. These plastic caps cost $10 to $20. They are the tail light bolt cover caps, similar to other panels that break on your car when you're working on them. These have plastic little fragile connectors on them, little thingies that go inside, hold the cover in position. And what happens when you take these out after you haven't touched your tail lights in a while is obviously they break and they snap. Short of doing something creative with replacement covers, when these things break, they are $10 to $20 instead of 10 cents to replace. The part in question are these little covers. I've been getting a check brake lights electrical system error message, and this is what they look like installed. And so, when it was raining, there was water running along the hood, the rear hatch lining here, and water was definitely getting inside here. So when these break, they are. To replace them, you have these notches here. Just insert it like so, and you're done. And you're done. $10 with $20 shipping, or $20 each. I feel $40 lighter. But now water won't get into your taillights. And that's the fun part of owning an aging German vehicle.